What's the meaning of brigadier? Brigadier. Brigadier.
Brigadier. Brigadier. A brigadier is a military rank that traditionally denotes the commander of a brigade. It is typically the lowest general officer rank, and is equivalent to a senior colonel in many countries. Brigadiers are responsible for leading, organizing, and training their units, as well as planning and executing military operations. They also serve as advisors to higher-ranking officers and may be responsible for liaising with other military or civilian organizations. In some countries, the rank of brigadier is also used in civilian organizations, such as police forces or fire departments, to denote a senior officer or executive.